did.
She's smiling at you?
Yeah, she's smiling. What are you doing? Oh, bless you. What are you doing? The lip goes like...
Yeah.
Appa. Appa. There. Over there. She's like,
Her hand's stuck in the little ring thing.
yeah.
Oh. Oh.
We're moving.
Look at her. Look at she just moving her back half.
Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
What are you doing?
Back up a little bit, Ryan. You're like right in her face. Look at her.
She's smiling at me. What are you doing?
Sam, turning her over. Turning around. Look at her.
She has a hold on the mat. You wanted to lay this way. Mama didn't know that.
She
I'm gonna pull this out of her.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, what are you doing? Oh, we're going over. We're going over.
Take the mat, the little pillow out from underneath her.
Well, she likes it.
Well, she can't move anymore. Don't make her turn over.
She has a...
Oh.
Yeah, like this? You know?
No, we'll have to put that in the freezer so she can...
Ooh, yeah, I like that. Is that really? There you go.
It's so funny how she turns herself around. It has to go in the freezer.
She likes to love him.
Yeah, it feels better to her gums though when it's frozen.
She's got a little thing in her mouth.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Look at her.
Uh-oh.
See, now let go of the mat.
Yeah, where'd my pillow go? Oh. A little bit more.
That's so funny. Hey. Hi. What are you doing?
Trying to figure this thing out.
That's how she turns herself around at night.
She's trying. She's trying.
She knows how to do that.
Come on, you gotta do a little bit more.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah, go to the mat, you can just whatever.
Let her do it.
I'm trying to show it.
Yeah. Hey. Well, go. Well, go. Oh,
Yeah.
it's so frustrating.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
So frustrating. He's like, hang on, I need a break. I need a breather. Okay, Daddy, you're distracting. You can do it. She wants to go so bad.
She's getting closer. Is there a baby in there? Was there another bit?
She's trying to crawl.
She's trying to
Look
roll.
at her. No, she's trying to crawl. Look at her.